Ma'am, can we start the session?
Yes, ma'am. It's live now. You can start your session, ma'am.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Myself, Divya Mahajan, a Vedic Maths trainer, and I hope we are all are going to enjoy this session here. So first, I want to tell you that what is Vedic Maths? Like Vedic Maths is an ancient system of mathematics which aims to improve critical thinking and problem solving ability with accuracy. And if you are a freelancer or if you are a school student looking for Vedic Maths trainer, then this is a perfect platform for you. Now, if I say what is Vedic Maths, what type of tricks we are going to use in Vedic Maths, and how this is going to help us in in our daily mathematics, this is here I will let you know how we are going to use sutras. नाउ वैदिक मैथ्स, अगर मैं बात करूं वैदिक मैथ्स की, तो वैदिक मैथ्स एंशियंट सिस्टम है. इट इज अराउंड 1911. भारती कृष्ण तीर्था जी जिन्होंने ये इन्वेंट किया था और जिन्होंने ये सूत्रास डेवलप किए थे, बट वो सूत्रास हम लोग अभी मॉडर्न टाइम्स में नहीं यूज करते हैं. And through this 16 sutras, we are going to improve our mathematical skills. Sometimes हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमारी जो calculations हैं, that it's not so good. We are not having a very good chemistry with calculations. But with the use of Vedic maths, I can assure you that your arithmetic skills will improve in a great way. So, ऐसे मैं बात करूंगी तो आपको लगेगा कि क्या कर रहे हैं. So let's start the session. हम लोग start करते हैं कि what we are going to learn in this session. So let's start with Vedic maths trick number 1. That is, if you want to find out the square, let's say the number is here. The number is 35. Square of 35. So what is the answer? It will take time. So first I want to know what is the answer. 35 square, what is the answer? I hope everyone is carrying pen and paper with them. Everyone is carrying pen and paper. So if I say 35 square, the answer is 1225. But now how this calculation is so quick?
Yes.
Right? If I say the square of 45, answer is 2025. Yeah. Right? But how 2025 come? If I say the square of 55, you can check it through your calculators also. It's 6025. But how quickly we can do the calculations? और जब ये बच्चा करना शुरू कर देता है, उसको उतना ही उसका confidence level increase करता जाता है. So let's start how we are going to do this calculations. This is trick number 1. The numbers ending with 5.
Ma'am, थोड़ा सा लैपटॉप की स्क्रीन ऊपर कर लीजिए so that board clearly visible, right? But yeah, it's fine now.
Okay. So let's say it's 55. 55. So the answer is, I know the answer. First, I want you to calculate and what is the answer? What is the answer? It's 3025. Am I right? But how this 3025 comes? हमने कुछ नहीं किया. हमने सिर्फ what we did, we take the predecessor of this number, the number at tens place. The predecessor of 5 is 6. Just 6 multiplied by 5 is 30 and 5 square is 25. Answer is 3025. Got it? Now the next one. Let's take an example of 65. 65. 65. What is the answer? Answer is
3025.
No. Take the predecessor of this number.
7 into 5.
35, 25.
5.
No. Take 7, multiply by 6. It's 42. 5 multiply by 5 is 25. Answer is 4225. Right? I hope you got this. Take the predecessor of this number. Don't take predecessor, take the successor of this number. 6 multiplied by 7 is 42. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Now one more. Take 75. So what is the answer? Do it mentally. 75. Take the successor of this number. The successor of 7 is 8.
56, 25. 56, 25.
Correct. Perfect. It's 5,
Very good,
6,
Redan.
2, 5.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Now take 85. Redan, what is the answer if it is 85?
85 means 9, 8, 70.
85, 9872. 9872.
No, it's 70.
No, 9 multiplied by 8 is 72.
7225. 7225.
Correct.
72.
72. Correct. Yeah. Then 95. What is the answer for 95?
Yeah.
What is the answer for
9025.
95?
90, 25.
9025. 90.
Yes.
Correct. 90, 25.
9025.
Easy.
So what is the square of 105?
So this is difficult for you. Right? This is difficult for you.
105.
No, don't take that. Take 2-digit number now. 10. Don't take 1, take 10 together. What is the successor of 10? 11. 11 multiplied by 10 is
11025.
perfect. 11025. Perfect.
11025.
Yeah. Don't think that you can do only 2-digit multiplication. You can do 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit within seconds. Just understand the concept. Apply the right concept at the right digit. You will get the 100% correct answer. Now one more. 115 square. 115 square. It will take time, don't worry. One 115 square. One 115. Now take 2-digit number together.
3225. 3225.
12 multiplied by 11. What is the answer?
13225.
13225, ma'am. Is that correct?
210225.
Yes. 13225.
132.
Correct?
You,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Now try with 125. Now try with 125. 125. One 25.
Bol.
15625.
Perfect. 15625. Perfect answer. Perfect. So
Very
now
good,
you
Tanay.
can, find the square of any number ending with 5 within seconds. Right? So is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I want to ask you one thing, that you are not going to school these days, right? But I want to ask you that, do you miss your school?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
And what you miss the most for your school? सबसे ज्यादा किसकी याद आती है? आप स्कूल नहीं जा पा रहे हो, किसको सबसे ज्यादा? Correct.
My teachers.
My teachers. Okay, lovely. Otherwise, 99% students says, my friends. Right? So even the numbers are also having friends. Do you know? the numbers also have friends. So anyone is knowing who is the friend of 1?
2.
No, the one friend is 9. See, 10 fingers we have, and every finger is having a friend, right? So let's start with 1. So who is the friend of 1? 9. Who is the friend of 2? 8. Who is the friend of 3?
3,
7.
4,
6.
4 की
6.
6.
5.
5.
का
5.
5.
Always 5, right?
4.
4 and 6. So can anyone tell me what is the common thing here? Common thing in all the friends.
Ma'am,
Common. Yeah.
when we add, so our answer will be 10.
Ma'am,
Very
backward counting, it's backward.
No, it's not backward. No, correct. When we add the number, add friends, you will get the same answer. 9 plus 1, 10. 8 plus 2, 10. 7 plus 3, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. 5 plus 5, 10. Right? So quickly. Yeah, quickly. Quickly tell me who is the friend of 1?
9.
2,
8.
3,
7.
4,
6.
5.
5.
Well done. So, who is the friend of 6 now?
4. 10.
7,
3.
8,
2.
9,
1.
and 5.
5.
5. 5. So now everyone knows who is the friend of 1, who is the friend of 2, right?
इधर बैठ को.
Right?
Right? Thumbs up.
Okay. So by using big friends, we will be moving to our second trick. Trick number 2. That is also related to the previous trick. Now, I write the number here. Let's take 64 multiply by 66. So, what is the answer?
It will take time to multiply.
Definitely, it will take time to multiply. But what is the answer? I want to know the answer, and then I will tell you how you can do this multiplication quickly.
4 to 2, 4.
Correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
Correct. 4, 2, 2, 4. Right? अब आप इसी को हमने जो कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ 5 किया था उसी मेथड से करो. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. And take the successor of 6. Who is the successor of 6? 7. 7 multiplied by 6 is 42. Answer is 4, 2, 2, 4. Now another one. So,
Ma'am, can you please repeat
Excuse
the
me,
process?
yeah, sure.
sir. Or
Now this method is known as Ant-Yog method. In Vedic maths language, we call this method Ant-Yog method. Ant. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of Ant? What is the meaning of Ant? हिंदी में हम अंत पढ़ते हैं ना? अंत. Very good.
and
End. Ant means end. Now I will write the number here like 73 multiplied by 77. Right? Now Ant means end. आपके friends देखो end में आ रहे हैं. 3 is the friend of 7. Am I right? 3 is the friend of 7 and numbers at tens place are same. This method is known as Ant-Yog method. Now Again, apply that method. Take the successor of 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 sevens are 8. Multiply by 7. 56.
56.
Yeah. And 3 multiply by 7.
21. 5, 6, 1. 5, 6, 2, 1.
Perfect. 5, 6, 2, 1.
Good.
आपने ध्यान क्या रखना? Where you will apply Amtiyok? When the friends is at ones place and numbers at tens place are same. आप ऐसे ही करते हो ना मैथ्स में, tens and ones. Ones place पे numbers कौन सी आ रहे हैं? Friends. And tens place पे the numbers are same. Apply this method, you will get the answer quickly. One more example. Now, can anyone tell me the name of this method?
Antayog method.
Perfect. Perfect. Now, multiply 82 with 88. What is the answer? 82 with 88.
Seven to 16. 1672.
7 to
9 8
7 to 16.
8 2 16. Answer is 7216. Perfect. One more. One more. 91 multiply by 99. 91 multiply by 99.
9 tens are
9 tens are 9. No, 9 9 the 81 and 109.
Take the successor of 9.
909.
Now you
9 1 get 9 tens are 90.
correct. 9 multiply by 1 is
9009.
perfect. 009. In Vedic maths, we never say 1. We always say 01,
1.
02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08, 09. Now 9 multiplied by 1 is 09. So the answer is 9009. Is it clear? Now one more example. Let's take 23 multiply by 27. 23 multiply by 27. What is the answer?
0606.
06?
0606. 0606.
3 2s are 6 or 06 you can write correct. 7 multiplied by 3 is
21. 6021.
0621. Say like 0621 or say 621.
21.
No, beta, it's 06.
Yeah.
0621.
Yeah. Now one more example. Take 58 multiply by 52.
Hello?
58 multiply by 52.
4816. 3016.
Perfect.
3016.
6 multiplied by 5 is 30. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. Answer is 3016. Perfect. One more. 63 multiply by 67.
4.
Now you can do mentally also.
4, 2, 2, 1.
Perfect. 4,
4, 2, 2, 1.
2, 1. 7 6 are 42. 7 3 are 21. So what is the name of this method?
Antayog method.
Antyog method. In Antyog method, the friends are at ones place, and the numbers at tens place are same. So this rule you should remember. If you find digits like this, multiply through Antyog method. Now अब मैं एक और क्वेश्चन डालती हूँ. टेल मी. अब मैंने लिखा 36 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 76. अब आप बताओ कौन सा मेथड यहां लगाओगे. मैंने क्या किया, नंबर्स को फ्रेंड्स को उल्टा कर दिया. राइट. नाउ आई ब्रिंग द फ्रेंड्स इन द फ्रंट प्लेस. अब मैंने टेंस प्लेस पे किसको ले आई, फ्रेंड्स को, और वंस प्लेस वाले नंबर सेम है. राइट. What is the name of this method? This method is known as Arambha method. Just note it down, Arambha. So अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं आरंभा का क्या मतलब है, आरंभा means, आरंभ means जब भी हम आरंभा की बात करते, आरंभ means starting. तो आपके yes, अब आपके जो फ्रेंड्स हैं, 7 का फ्रेंड 3 है, अब वो कहाँ पे आ गया है, पहले आ गया है. कई बार हम सैक्रिफाइस कर देते हैं ना अपने फ्रेंड के लिए कि यार नहीं तू कर ले, तू आगे चला जा. तो हमने अब क्या किया, फ्रेंड को हमने आगे कर दिया, और जो नंबर है एट वंस प्लेस आर सेम. सो द नेम ऑफ दिस मेथड इज आरंभा मेथड, बट दिस इज लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस वन. राइट. जो हमने अंतयोग मेथड किया था उससे ये हटके है. अब आपने करना क्या है, आरंभा में एल शेप चलना है, लाइक दिस. आपको एक चीज याद रखनी है कि वैदिक मैथ्स में हम हमेशा लेफ्ट टू राइट चलते हैं. अगर आप नॉर्मल मैथमेटिक्स जो आप अपने क्लासरूम में करते हो उसमें आप हमेशा राइट टू लेफ्ट चलते हो. बट द ब्यूटी ऑफ वैदिक मैथ इज वी एज वी से द नंबर वी डू द कैलकुलेशंस अकॉर्डिंगली. राइट. सो वी विल मूव लाइक एल शेप. अब आपने क्या करना है, 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7, 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 और 6 को ऐड कर देना है, प्लस 6. 21 plus 6 is 27. Done. Rest is same. 6 multiplied by 6. Answer is 36. So what is the answer? 2736. Right? L shape चलना है आपको. This method is known as Arambha method. 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. 21 plus 6 is 27. 27. 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. 2736 is the answer. Now one more question.
You all want to know. Arambha, you थोड़ा सा hard है Arambha वाला.
42 multiplied by 62. 42 multiplied by 62.
Multiplied by 6. Huh?
4 multiplied by 6.
24.
24, 26.
Correct. 26. And 2 multiplied by 2. In Vedic maths, how will we write?
2 2s are 4.
No. How will we write? 4. Correct.
So
So the answer is
2604.
2604.
Perfect. 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 One more. One more.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Let's take 84 multiplied by 24. What is the answer?
16 plus 16 and 4 plus 4.
Plus 4. Correct.
4
2
4
and 16.
4 4s are also 16.
So answer is
2016.
perfect. 2016. One more. एक और करें?
2006.
Okay, one more.
Okay.
Okay, let's take 93 multiply by 13. 93 multiply by 13.
One two zero nine.
1209.
Correct. 9 ones are 9.
1209.
Plus 3 is 12.
Two-
And 3 multiplied by 3 is
209. 09.
09. Correct.
20.
Correct.
Now you understand?
And what is the name of this method?
Aram.
Aram.
Arambha method. Okay. Okay. अब आपने मुझे क्विकली जो हमने अभी 3 ट्रिक्स की है ना, आप मुझे क्विकली आंसर बताओगे. Okay. What is the square of 25? What is the answer? Square means 25 multiply by 25.
620.
What is the answer?
6025.
No. Or should I write like this?
25.
Yes, 625. Correct. Now 25 multiply by 25. See, अब यहाँ पे देखो अंतयोग मेथड भी लग रहा है और कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ 5 भी लग रहा है. एंड में कौन है? फ्रेंड्स. Initial numbers are same. Take the successor of 2. That is 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Answer is 6.
625.
Correct. Now tell me 15 multiplied by 15. What is the answer? Quickly. 15 multiplied by 15. What is the answer?
625 now. First 625, then 325 is the 3 10.
Very good. 1
225.
multiplied by 2 is 2. Answer is 225. 225. 1. Take the successor. हमेशा आपने एक नंबर ज्यादा लेना है 1 से. 1. What is the successor of 1? That is 2. और 1 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? 2 से. That is 2. 5 multiply 5. You know that is 25. Done. So answer is 225. Another one. 35. Multiply by 35. What is the answer?
One five 1 2 5 1 2 2 5 1 2 2 5
Perfect.
1 2 2 5.
Correct.
2
4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Perfect.
25.
Yeah, perfect. Now tell me 45. What is the answer? 45. Multiply by 45. What is the answer? 45 multiply by 45.
2025. 2025. 25. 2025. 2025.
2025.
Correct. 55 multiply by 55. What is the answer? Quickly.
2525.
No.
25.
बोल दे.
3025.
Yes. 35. Perfect. 65. Tell me the answer.
4025.
No. 6 multiply by 7.
25.
No. Take the successor of 6. That is
42, 25. 4 to 25.
correct.
42.
4, 2, 2, 5. Perfect. Now 75. 75 multiply by 75.
Now 5 to 5. 55. 56, 25. 56, 25.
56, 25. 85 multiply by 85. 85 multiply by
72, 25.
correct.
72, 25. 72.
Correct. 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 Well done.
72, 5.
Yeah, correct. Now tell me the name of the method. मैं सिर्फ question लिखूंगी, आपने मुझे method का नाम बताना है, okay? Let's say
अंतयोग मेथड. आरंभ मेथड.
yes, Arambha.
Arambha.
Correct. Yes. Why? Because आप देखो, ध्यान से देखो, आपके friends कौन है? पहले आ गए हैं, right? So Arambha. Arambha means beginning. So it is Arambha method. Now tell me the answer. Arambha method में आप L shape चलते हो. Remember? 4 multiplied by 6 plus 4.
16. 2, 8, 1, 6.
Yes, very good.
Good job. 2, 8, 1, 6. 6 4s are 24 plus 4 is 28. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16.
Super mom chair.
Good job.
Parvesh ma'am, mute yourself. Parvesh ma'am, mute कर लीजिए please.
Yeah. Now, so I think you know how to do find a square number ending with 5, right? Now you know Antyog method. Now you know Arambha method. So one more trick for you. One more trick for you. Let's say I want to multiply 35 with 11. What is the answer? 35 multiply by 11. What is the answer?
385.
Correct. 385. Only one?
385.
385. Now, if I write 385, now let's take 424 multiply by 11. Tell me the answer.
4664.
4664. Perfect.
4664.
4664. Now, how will you do multiplication with 11? Quickly. आपने क्या करना है? आपने कुछ नहीं करना. Just write 3 and 5 with little gap in between. Write 3 and 5 with little gap in between. Now add both the numbers. 3 plus 5 is 8. Answer is 385. Done? One more question. Let's take 26 multiply by 11. What is the answer? 26 multiply by 11. What is the answer?
286.
286.
286. Correct. Correct. 42 multiply by 11. 42.
26.
Multiply
462. 462.
62. Correct. Correct. आपने क्या किया? टेक 4 and 2 टुगेदर. आपने लिखा विद लिटिल गैप. जो गैप था उसमें इन दोनों का सम लिख दिया आपने. 426, 462. Now 26 multiply 1. Now I will write 126. What is the answer? 126 multiply by 11. Write 1 as it is. 2 plus 1 is
386.
now 2 plus 6 is 8.
1386.
1386. Yes. 1386. One more. One more.
अब ध्यान रख जाइए.
One more.
Mama, please.
73 multiplied by 11. What is the answer?
7103.
What is the answer?
7103.
No.
7103.
Now see. आपने क्या किया? आपने वैसे ही किया. You will write 7 as it is and 3 as it is. अब इन दोनों का sum क्या है? 2 digit number. That is 10. Right? अब ये जो 10 है, आपने क्या करना है? We will take only one number. We will move one. We will carry over this 1 towards 7. Answer is 803. One more example, like 86 multiplied by 11. What is the answer? 86 multiplied by 11.
946.
946.
946.
Sure.
946.
8 and then 6. 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is
14.
946. 946.
now take 97 multiplied by 11. 97 multiplied by 11.
One zero six seven.
107.
1067. 1067.
1067. 1067.
9 plus 7 is 9 plus 7 is 16. Right?
16.
Yes, 16. Take 6 and 1 carry over. 9 becomes 10. 1067. Now 98 multiplied by 11. 98 multiplied by 11.
One zero seven eight. 1078.
Correct. Now take 95 multiplied by 11.
1045. 1045. 1045. 1045.
Now these are 2-digit number. Let's take 3-digit number now.
3-digit.
3-digit number. Let's take 243 multiplied by 11. 243. It's 243 multiplied by 11.
2673.
Correct. Correct.
2673.
Correct. Correct. One more. 449 multiplied by 11. 449 multiplied by 11.
4939.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
4939.
अदिति आपके
4939. Perfect.
अदिति आपके बैकग्राउंड में बहुत शोर आ रहा है, प्लीज म्यूट
Right. Now one more. One more example. Let's take.
Ma'am, can you explain this multiplying a 3-digit number with 11 once again?
Yeah, sure. Let's take example 441 multiplied by 11. Right? आपने वैसे ही करना है 4 and 1. Write it like this with a little gap. Now add two numbers together. 4 plus 4, 8. Now leave the one number. 4 plus 1,
5.
5. Answer is 4851. Take another example like 3, 82 multiplied by 11. Now what is the answer? Now here when you add, it becomes 2-digit number. You will take the number at unit place and the number at tens place will move as a carryover. This is the answer.
4202.
8 plus 3 is 11, right? Take 1 carryover. 8 plus 2 is 10. Take 0, 1 carryover. 2 to हमने 2 multiplied by 1 is as it is 2. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Answer is 4202. Another one. Let's take another number like 576 multiplied by 11. 576 multiplied by 11.
Six, 336.
7 plus 5 is 12. 2, 1 carryover. 6 plus 7 is 13. 3, 1 carryover. 6. Got it? Got it? Now one more example. 897 multiplied by 11. 897. 97 multiplied by 11. What is the answer?
9167. 9167.
9.
9876.
6, sir.
Let's do it together. 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. 7, 1 carryover. 9 plus 7 is 16. 6, 1 carryover. 7. Answer is 9, 8, 6, 7.
6, 7. 9, 8, 6, 7.
Yeah. I hope this is clear to everyone. How we can do multiplication with 11.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Okay.
Very interesting.
So we move to our next trick. Right? So would you like to learn the new trick?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's take okay, let's say I'm having 50,000 with me. Okay, 50,000 with me. So I went to the market और मैं वहां से, अब लॉकडाउन था तो मैंने कोई शॉपिंग नहीं की, तो मैं जब मार्केट गई विद 50,000 तो मैं तो पागल हो गई मार्केट जाके, और मैंने वहां पे स्पेंड किए अराउंड 35,389 रुपीज. राइट? मैंने इतनी मनी स्पेंड करके आई. नाउ व्हाट इज हाउ मच आई लेफ्ट विद? तो आपने क्या करना है? सब्ट्रैक्शन. राइट? अब आपने ये सब्ट्रैक्शन स्टार्ट कैसे करोगे? व्हाट इज द आंसर? डू इट एंड टेल मी द आंसर.
25359.
2
5359.
should I write from left to right or right to left?
Right.
Right to left?
Left to right.
14711.
24611. Left to right.
14711.
24611.
641.
14611. 24611.
My answer is this.
11461.
किसी का ये आंसर आया? 14661
14611. हाँ मेरा.
किसी का ये आंसर आया? आपने अगर सब्ट्रैक्शन करनी है और एडिशन करनी है, हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? ओके, आपने सब्ट्रैक्शन करनी है और आप चाहते हो कि मेरा आंसर भी बिल्कुल ठीक हो, तो हम ये सब्ट्रैक्शन कैसे कर सकते हैं? So let's learn the trick, right? Let's say I start with numbers like one followed by zeros like 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. I start with this, right? Let's say first you should know what is all 9 last 10. All 9 last 10. That means if I say 2, 4, 6, 3, आपने complement निकालना है by using all 9 last 10. What does it mean? All 9 last 10 means आपके पास जितने भी digits हैं सबको 9 बना दो और लास्ट वाले को आपने 10 बनाना है. अब जो 9 बनाओगे वो कैसे बनाना है? 2 में कितने ऐड करें कि 9 बन जाए? 2 में आप कितने नंबर्स ऐड करें? 7. 4 में आप कितने नंबर्स ऐड करो कि 9 बन जाए?
5.
करेक्ट. 6 में कितने नंबर्स ऐड करो कि वो 9 बन जाए?
3.
और 3 में who is the friend of 3?
7.
7. All 9 last 10. Answer is 7, 5, 3, 7. Let's take another example and you tell me the answer. Let's take 3, 2, 5, 4. What is the answer? What is the complement of this number? Apply all 9 last 10.
Six, 7, 4, 6. 6, 7.
Perfect. 6 and 3, 9, 7 and 2, 9, 5 and 4, 9, 6 and 4, 10. Perfect. Now got it? Okay, 6, 7, 4, 6 का complement निकालो by using all 9 last 10. What is the complement of this number? Apply all 9 last 10.
Three, 2, 5, 3.
3.
3, 2, 5, 3. 2, 5,
No.
4. 3, 2, 5, 3.
Yes, correct.
4.
Who is the friend of 6? 4. जब
3,
आपको
2, 5, 4.
Yeah,
3, 2,
5, 4. Correct. Now, let's say I'm having 1,000 rupee. Okay. I went to the market, right? और मैंने मार्केट से एक टॉय खरीदा which cost 632 rupees. अब मैंने 1,000 रुपए भैया को दिए हैं और 632 का सामान आया है. मेरे पास मनी कितनी आएगी वापस? वहां पे आप मोबाइल लेके नहीं घूमोगे कि मोबाइल निकालोगे, कैलकुलेटर निकाल के कैलकुलेट करोगे. नो, यू आर वेल एजुकेटेड. आपने ये चीजें मेंटली निकालनी है. आप क्या करोगे? अप्लाई ऑल 9 लास्ट 10. अप्लाई करो ऑल 9 लास्ट 10 ऑन 632. व्हाट इज द आंसर? What is the answer?
3, 6, 8.
Yeah, perfect.
3, 6, 8.
मैंने कितने पैसे वापस करने हैं? 368 rupees. आपने मेंटली करना. Take one more example. I write 10,000. Okay, so I spent 6,329. Now tell me the answer. मेरे पास कितनी मनी वापस आएगी?
3671.
6,000. Yeah. कितनी आएगी?
3671. 3671.
Perfect. Perfect. Now take one more zero and write here 8. What is the answer?
2, 2, 2, 2. Now
It's 63298. What is the answer?
ma'am, last one 10. Last one is 10, not 8, ma'am.
No, I said it's 8. Now the amount is 63298.
102.
36702.
36702. Perfect. Perfect. This is all 9 last 10. Now if I write number like 50,000 now and you spend 43296. What is the answer?
Five six seven zero four.
56704. 56704. 56704.
What is the answer?
56704. 56704.
How?
No, wrong.
56704. 6704.
What is the answer?
6704.
6704. But what about this?
4. No, it's 4.
Correct. Answer is correct. Now, one more question. Let's say 90,000 and 28469. Now subtract and what is the answer? आप क्या करोगे? Apply all 9 last 10. Leave this number 9 minus 2. All 9 last 10, 8 and 1 9, 6 5 and 4 9, 6 and 3 9, 9 and 1 10. Now when you subtract 9 from 9 minus 2 is
1531.
1531 is not the answer. 9 minus 2 is 7. But subtract one more. Answer is 61531. आंसर इज 61531. अगर आपके पास यहाँ पे 1 है तब आपने कुछ नहीं करना. अप्लाई ऑल 9 लास्ट 10. When it is other than 1 like 2 3 4 then subtract जो भी आपके पास नंबर आएगा, subtract one more number, you will get the answer. Like one more question. Let's take 40,000 subtract कर दो आप 2 3 2 4 6. Now what is the answer?
1. First one.
Leave 4 minus 2 right now.
1675. Is that
675 and then
6754?
what about 4 minus 2?
1.
4 minus 2 is
1. 1.
one more. Answer is 16754.
16754.
Yes, 16754 is the answer. One more. Take one more example. Like 6 zeros are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Subtract कर दो. 1396825. 1396825.
1603175. 16175.
Perfect answer. Perfect. So is it easy? This is easy or difficult?
Easy.
Easy. So what we have learned today in today's session, who will summarize what we have learned today? Who will summarize?
मुझे आराम Ma'am, first we done how to take out square, then Ansayog method, then
Yeah.
Arambha method, then all 9 last 10.
Perfect. All 9 last 10. We did Arambha method. We did Antiyog method. We did concept of 11. We did how to find the squares number ending with 5. Right? We did how to do quick subtraction by applying all 9 last 10. Right? Before going, I want to give you one more trick. Would you like to learn one more trick?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's say, let's multiply 3, 5, 2, 6, 3. Multiply by 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. So what is the answer? Who will do and who will tell me the answer? 3, 5, 2, 6, 3 multiply by 5 times 9. What is the answer?
Ma'am, it 1000 is just 10000.
This is the answer. No. This is not the answer. Vedic math is all about making calculations easy, accurate. You will get the answer quickly as well as accurate. Now I will tell you the answer. Now cross check karna. This is the answer. 3, 5, 2, 6, 2, 6, 4, 7, 3, 7. This is the answer. Aap check kar lo. This is correct or not. This is the answer. See how quick you are able to calculate multiplication.
Magic हो गया.
Yeah, this is magic. ये magic ही है. See, आपके कोई भी multiplication आ जाए 9, 999, 999, 4 times 9, 5 times 9, you can get the answer within seconds. आप challenge कर सकते हो मम्मा को, पापा को कि yes, आप निकालो और वही वो cross, double cross, triple cross, 4 time cross, 5 time cross और आप answer within seconds निकाल लोगे. This is the beauty of Vedic maths. Even if mothers are here, so this is a golden opportunity for all the homemakers, right? This is very helpful because as I already told you that Vedic math is an ancient system of mathematics which helps and which aims to improve critical thinking and problem solving ability with accuracy. This is the beauty of Vedic maths. If you are, अगर आप housewife हैं या अगर आप freelancer हैं and if you want to start your own entrepreneurship, तो start, if you are thinking about your second career, think about Vedic maths.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Bolo.
I have seen a movie on mathematics, Shakuntala Devi.
Yeah, yes. तो how she is able to do calculations quickly? क्योंकि उसने Vedic math सीखा था. Yes. उसको कैसे
Can you explain?
Because she is able to find out the square roots, cube roots, squares, cubes quickly. वो कैसे कर लेती थी division कोई भी number के साथ quickly because she learned Vedic maths. That's why I'm here to give you, to make you learn few tricks about Vedic maths. I'm already teaching in the past 7 years Vedic maths as a trainer. So this is a golden opportunity. My online classes are going on. Every month I start a new batch. Right? So this is going to help you a lot in your regular mathematics. क्योंकि ये जो calculations हैं, ये आप वैसे ही कर रहे हो जैसे आप क्लास में करते हो. इसमें कोई भी नहीं, सिर्फ आपको numbers को identify करना है. This is basically fun with numbers.
मैम इसको explain कर दीजिए.
Difficult नहीं लगेगा. This one you want me to explain?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Divya ji,
Yes, ma'am.
can we do like this? Means multiplying the above number by 1 lakhs and then simply subtracting 35263
3, 5. Yeah. See, yes, all 9 last 10. Correct.
just by knowing the
Yeah.
because
Yes. 35263.
99,999 is 1 lakhs minus 1.
Yeah. True.
And just
True.
by
Correct.
applying that
Yes.
you can do it.
Even I
Yeah.
did the same thing.
Okay.
Subtract 1 from 35263. It's 35262. Right?
Yeah.
Then apply all 9 last 10. What I did. 6 and 3 9, 5 and 4 9, 7 and 2 9, 6 and 3 9, 7 and 3 10. You get the answer.
Yeah, even I have applied the normal maths, few
Yeah,
basics only.
this actually in this method is known as Eka Neunam method in Vedic maths language. Eka means ek kam, Eka Neunam method, and in this you can calculate. This is now I have taken the same number of digits up and down. If the number of nines are less and the digits are more, then also you can calculate quickly. If the digits are more less and the number of nines are more, then also you can do with different trick quickly. That method is known as Eka Neunam method. So there are a lot more methods in this Vedic maths. So this is just 1 hour class. I try my best to teach you the maximum. Right? I hope you like the session. And in case you have any query, you're welcome. In case you have any query, you can contact me. Right?
Ma'am.
Evan, right now you want to ask anything, you can ask me.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please explain once again how to
Which
multiply
one?
99 or 999? Yes, ma'am.
This one. Okay. Ma'am, we have taken the number 35263, right? Subtract 1 from this number. So the answer is 35262. This much. Right? 35262. Done? After this, apply all 9 last 10. 6 and 3, 9. 5 and 4, 9. 2 and 7, 9. 6 and 3, 9. 3 and 7, 10. This is the answer. Let's take one more example. One more example. Take 6, 3, 5, 9, 2, 6. Multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the answer? 6, 3, 5, 9, 2, 6. So what is the answer?
6, 3, 5, 9, 2, 5.
6, 3, 5, 9, 2, 5, correct?
3.
Yeah.
3, 6, 4.
6, 4, 0.
3, 7, 0, 7, 3.
7, 4.
3, 6, 5, 9, 1, 9, 6, 4, 0, 7, 4.
In Shakuntala Devi also, she used to do this type of calculations, right? वो यही करती थी ना calculations. So this is the beauty of Vedic maths, right?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else you want to ask? Anything? Anyone? कोई question है आप पूछ सकते हो. कोई query है आपकी आप पूछ सकते हो.
Ma'am, instead of 9, if we'll take number 8 everywhere,
Yeah.
then logic would be same?
No, then you will apply another method. This is only for Eka Neunam is for 9. Right? If you have numbers, any random numbers multiplication of 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, where you will not apply any trick, then we use universal method for that. There is a different method for that. That also give you one line multiplication and you will get the answer quickly.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, right.
So
Or
there are
किसी की
so many,
कुछ-
there are 16 sutras, there are 13 sub formulas, like lot of tricks, lot of formulas are there in Vedic maths. And once the children, know how to apply and how to get familiar with the numbers, he or she started enjoying mathematics. जो मैंने देखा है, like my students used to say, like if this child is at 60%, so now it jumps to 70%. कि yes, उसका maths वो खुद ही कहता है कि मेरा 10%, उसको अपने आप में improvement दिखती है. Rest is all about practice. Right?
तो और किसी के कुछ questions हैं? किसी को कुछ पूछना है? Okay, I think
as a जितनी भी housewives हैं, अगर आप सोचते हो as a career, तो think about it. Right?
अपने लिए सीखना हो तो उसके लिए ऑनलाइन है क्या कोर्सेज?
Divya ma'am.
Yeah, online I'm already taking online classes. टीचर्स के लिए अलग से डिफरेंट प्रोग्राम है, फॉर स्टूडेंट्स डिफरेंट है. मेरे बैचेस हैं, लाइक जूनियर्स बैच डिफरेंट चलता है, सीनियर बैच अलग चलता है. जैसे इसका एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया आई टेक 10 प्लस स्टूडेंट्स, so 10 plus to 12 I take in one batch and 12 plus in another batch, like 7th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th grade student in different batch, and students like 4th standard, 5th standard, 6th standard in junior batch. So for teachers, they can enroll in different batch. That is a teacher training program.
दिव्या मैम, एक बार आप अपना नंबर बता दीजिए, मैं चैट बॉक्स में डाल देती हूँ, सो दैट किसी को
Okay.
कनेक्ट करना होगा तो आपसे कर लेंगे. प्लीज
Right.
नंबर.
Yeah, 978
978
00
yeah
10
10
370.
370. It's 9780010 370.
Correct.
मैंने दिव्या मैम का नंबर चैट बॉक्स में डाल दिया है, आप लोग वहां से नोट कर सकते हैं और उनसे डायरेक्टली कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. अनु मैम, यू वर सेइंग समथिंग.
मैम वही बोलना था मुझे, शेयर कर दे नंबर अपना.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, Divya.
So thank
Okay,
you so
thank
much,
you, thank
Divya,
you so much.
Divya ma'am.
Okay.
It was a very informative session and thank you so much all. आज सुपर
Thank
मॉम्स
you,
को थैंक यू नहीं है, आज सारे बच्चों को थैंक यू है.
Thank you so much,
उन्होंने
ma'am.
बहुत अच्छा पार्टिसिपेशन रखा और बहुत एक्टिवली आप लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया. सो गुड वर्क.
Right.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye,
Thank you,
ma'am.
thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.